If you're getting an export error in CapCut on your PC, don't panic. I'll walk you through a couple of quick fixes that usually solve this problem. First, let's head into the CapCut settings. If you're on Windows, look at the top left corner and click on Menu, then choose Settings. If you're using a Mac, just go to the top of your screen, select CapCut, and then open Settings from there. Once the Settings page is open, look to the right-hand side and find the Performance section. At the very top of this section, you'll see an option called Speed Up Hardware Encoding. If this box is checked, uncheck it, then click Save to apply the change. After that, try exporting your video again and see if it goes through. If you're still having trouble, here's one more step you can try. After unchecking the hardware encoding option, close CapCut completely. Then reboot your computer or laptop. Sometimes export errors happen because of memory conflicts or cached files, and a quick restart often clears that up. Between turning off hardware encoding and rebooting, most export issues should be fixed. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to tap like and subscribe for more CapCut PC tutorials. And if you're still facing errors, let me know in the comments.